in post-conflict era. Under this, so I consider for three main aspects. It is education, sport, and culture. Under education, the proper implementation of language policy and ensuring trilingual fluency of further future young generation. This process would lead to understand each other without any boundaries. And when it comes to sports, youth can be influenced through the games. Working as a team would positively impact on their behavior, attitudes, thinking pattern, and releasing stress. Upgrade existing youth club in the island with proper guidance and funds to attract youth for sport in extensive way. And the cultural activities would be organized in provincial level to disclose their identity. Youth would learn how to respect each other and identity similar of young generation. Healthy cultural relationship would minimize demographic differences. Encourage entrepreneurship. By providing capital, guidance, training, and market to minimize unemployment while contributing a national economy is essential. Awareness program in rural areas to educate youth about income sources such as equity and debt trading like stock market, microfinance, web-related income generated opportunities such as forex leads to minimize unemployment. Devolution of socio-economic development from southern to north. Under this, I mainly consider 4 facts. Expansion of Trincomalee Harbour with industrial law IT park to create major job opportunities directly and indirectly. Second one is speed up Kandy Jaffna road to link north and south. Third one is increase the composition of Tamil students in southern universities. And finally, attract investors to initiate industries in north and give a reasonable percentage of job opportunities to youth from south to meet organizational goal and objective together. And finally, implementation of lesson learned and reconciliation commission's recommendation. Under this, so I consider on the youth development and integration aspect, equal opportunities. This is basically the tertiary level education. And next one is art and culture activities, as I mentioned earlier. So need to make them understand between the art and cultural aspects. And finally, this is the most important one, people-to-people contact. To organizing the school level or youth club level and the national level forum by the youth camp. So it would very much helpful to make them understand and realize their culture and the behavior and other important aspects. By doing so, they themselves can identify each other well. And finally, important areas of reconciliation process were governance, devolution, human rights, international humanitarian law, socio-economic development, livelihood issues, issues affecting to heart and minds, leadership issues should be highly concentrated as several recommendations remain largely unimplemented. The proper implementation of recommendation would clear the path of integration of youth via building trust, accountability, and harmony between. Thank you very much for your patient listening.
Chanaka, thank you very much.